Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the image is usable. Check resolution, format, and back up the original. Once done, open Settings and jump straight to Wallpaper or long press the home screen. Make sure Photos access is allowed so you can pick the file. You're taking the first actionable steps now. Pick the exact photo, confirm whether this should be home, lock, or both, and prepare to edit cropping and motion options in the next step. Now focus on how it looks. Crop and position the image so key subjects aren't hidden by icons or the status bar. Once you place it, toggle perspective or parallax if you want subtle motion. If you prefer stability, enable reduce motion. Preview both home and lock screens to confirm nail placement and clarity. If text or icons clash, adjust crop or choose a lighter background. Make small adjustments until the preview matches what you want on the actual home screen. Finish by tapping Set and selecting Home, Lock, or both. Then check your home screen to confirm the change. If the wallpaper doesn't update, reboot the device and try again. Also toggle Auto Lock or Lock and unlock to force a redraw. If problems persist, check for configuration profiles or third-party launchers that block changes and clear the wallpaper cache or app data. Key troubleshooting tip: reboot first. That resolves most stuck wallpaper updates and forces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.